Want deeper insights into your health and fitness, right from your feet, with more than just basic weight tracking? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Wyze Scale Ultra, featuring advanced body composition tracking, a sleek tempered glass design, and smart app integration for detailed health insights. With support for multiple users, high-precision sensors, and easy Bluetooth connectivity, it's a smart scale built for tracking progress the right way. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Scale Ultra. 1.5-volt AAA batteries. Quick start guide. Technical specifications. Let's break down the Wyze Scale Ultra specs. It features a sleek, modern design with a durable plastic body, a silicone base for stability, and an ITO-coated glass surface, available in black or white. Up top, there's a large 4.3-inch TFT LCD display that clearly shows measurements in either pounds or kilograms. The scale supports a wide weight range from 11 to 400 pounds, making it suitable for most users. Beyond basic weight tracking, it measures detailed body composition data, including body fat percentage, lean body mass, BMI, muscle mass, visceral fat, basal metabolic rate, bone mass, metabolic age, protein levels, and body water percentage, all visible directly on the scale. When connected to the app, it also adds heart rate tracking and stores complete health data over time. Connectivity is handled through both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, with support for Android and iOS devices, and seamless syncing with Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. Power comes from 4 AAA batteries included in the box, and the scale is designed to operate reliably in typical indoor conditions. Physically, it measures 11.8 by 11.8 by 1.18 inches and weighs just under 4 pounds, giving it a solid, premium feel without being bulky. It's built to handle everyday home use, operating reliably in temperatures from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius with humidity levels between 20 and 85%. For storage, the scale can withstand temperatures ranging from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius, ensuring durability even when not in regular use. Product features. The Wyze Scale Ultra goes far beyond basic weight tracking, providing detailed body composition insights. It measures body fat percentage, muscle mass, BMI, visceral fat, basal metabolic rate, bone mass, metabolic age, protein levels, and body water percentage. All these metrics are displayed directly on the scale, giving you a clear picture of your overall health in seconds. With automatic user recognition, the Wyze Scale Ultra can identify multiple users and keep their data separate. This makes it perfect for households where everyone wants to track their progress individually. The scale also makes it easy to share your metrics with family or friends, helping you stay motivated together. The scale connects effortlessly with the Wyze app, as well as popular platforms like Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. This allows you to sync your health data across devices, track trends over time, and analyze your progress in a convenient, centralized way. Built with a sturdy plastic body, silicone base, and ITO-coated glass surface, the Wyze Scale Ultra feels premium while remaining durable. It's powered by 4 AAA batteries, providing reliable performance without frequent recharging. Designed to handle everyday use, it offers both stability and longevity. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Insert the included AAA batteries into the Wyze scale and place it on a flat, hard surface for accurate readings. In the Wyze app, tap the plus icon, select Add Device, and choose Wyze Scale from the list. The app will search for the scale using Bluetooth and guide you through the pairing process step by step. Once the app prompts you, step onto the scale to activate it and send your first measurement. Enter basic profile details like height and birth year, so the scale can calculate accurate health metrics. Finally, connect the scale to your Wi-Fi network to enable automatic syncing, multi-user recognition, and cloud-based data tracking. How to use. Before using the scale for the first time, turn it over and open the battery compartment. Insert the batteries carefully, making sure the positive and negative symbols on the batteries match the markings inside the compartment. Close the cover securely so the scale powers on correctly. Place the scale on a hard, flat surface such as tile or wood flooring, avoiding carpets or uneven areas. Step onto the scale with bare feet to begin the measurement process. Stand still and keep your weight evenly balanced until the readings appear on the display. Do not wear socks, as direct skin contact is required for body composition tracking. Make sure your feet are positioned correctly and touching all 4 metal electrodes on the scale. Keep your legs slightly apart and avoid letting your knees touch to ensure accurate and consistent measurements. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Place on a stable surface. Keep it dry. Use barefoot properly. Avoid overloading or impact. Store safely when not in use. Product comparison. The Wyze Scale Ultra features a sleek plastic body with a silicone base and ITO-coated glass surface, offering a modern, durable feel. The Wyze Body Smart uses tempered glass with a metal frame for a premium look, slightly heavier and more rigid on hard surfaces. Wyze Scale Ultra has a 4.3-inch TFT LCD that displays weight and key body metrics directly on the scale, while Wyze Body Smart shows weight and limited metrics on its LED display, relying more on the companion app for detailed insights. Wyze Scale Ultra tracks 13 health metrics, covering a wide range of body composition data, and syncs seamlessly with the Wyze app, Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. Wyze Body Smart tracks 5 health metrics and connects with the HealthMate app, Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit, providing a simpler, app-focused experience. The Wyze Scale Ultra is powered by 4 AAA batteries, providing reliable performance and long-term use, and connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, allowing multi-user recognition and automatic syncing. Wyze Body Smart uses a single CR2032 coin cell battery that can last up to 18 months, and it also connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for easy syncing of your health data. Pros and cons. The Wyze Scale Ultra makes tracking your health simple and convenient. It measures 13 body metrics and shows key readings on its large 4.3-inch display for instant insights. It syncs seamlessly with the Wyze app, Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit, keeping all your data in one place. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and automatic multi-user recognition, it's great for families. The scale is slim, lightweight, and stable thanks to its silicone base, and runs on AAA batteries for easy, worry-free use. It tracks trends over time and supports a wide weight range for most users. A few things to note: you need to use it barefoot for accurate readings, some metrics are app-only, and the plastic body feels less premium than metal alternatives. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Wyze Scale Ultra delivers excellent value, smart features, and reliable performance. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.